Best car vacuum cleaner. New portable car vacuum cleaner, Wet and Dry Dual Use Super Section 120 watts car vacuum cleaner. Specification, item number, MKS, power, 12 volts, 120 watts, length, 500 centimeters, weight, 850 grams, vacuum degree, 4000 Pascal, wet and dry vacuum cleaner. You can clean peanuts, coins, little water with a brush and nozzle. Duct hung nozzle, extend the hose, can clean up the different locations. Full copper movement to extend machine life. 4.5 meters long power cord, to meet the different locations within the car. Clean packing list, vacuum cleaner, included 1 HEPA filter. Carry bag, optional, please select carefully when placing order. Gift and addendum: HEPA filter, short connector, long connector, hose, brush. Three colors are available: blue, orange, and black. Let's watch some customer reviews. Thanks for watching.